I've been on the hunt for some new, inviting, and comfortable throw pillows, and I really love the design and the variety of options from this collaboration. So let's check this pillow out. I absolutely love the burnt orange color and the really nice stitching. It has some unique styling with this weave through the middle, which is really nice. Definitely something that could catch on things over time, but as a decorative throw, really, really beautiful. And it does feel sturdy as well. And this stitching is just really pretty and also still pretty soft. Really nice combination. And then the back is much softer, more of that burnt orange color, just lovely. And then right here, you actually do have a zipper, so you can take it off and clean the pillow cover as needed. And I appreciate the focus on the details. They've really gone all out with these. Clean zipper. And while you can remove the cover, it does recommend only spot cleaning. It does not want you to put this in the wash, which makes sense with this kind of stitching on the front. And then the insert itself is fully polyester fiber, made in Texas. And thanks to that polyester fill, it has a lot of support and really holds its shape. So it's not going anywhere. You're just gonna have a really nice pillow wherever you put it. I love it.